So this is how we make the hull of the boat. Right, get your piece of paper, fold it in half. Make sure every fold is very tight. Right, orientate yourself to you. Get one half of the fold and fold it back over, like so. Turn it over and do it the same on the other fold. If I can get it right, that is. Okay. Now, look over. Oops. Get one corner and fold it over like that. Do the same on the other corner. Flip it over and do the same thing again. Corner, fold it over. Corner, fold it over. Right, now grab one of your sort of corners down here and fold it, oops, keep that tucked in, over like that. And again on this side, keep it tucked in, fold it over, and then you guessed it, on the other side as well. Keep that tucked in, fold it over. Now, get the bottom fold it over to the top, and then the same on the other side. Okay, so now you get the boat with all the folds, push it out and push the middle bit down to get that. Now, this inner bit you want to push out like that, whilst keeping the sides folded in. Push, push, push. Like that. Then once you've done that, fold it in once, fold both sides in, push it down, then open it back out again. And there you have the whole of the ship. Alright, so in order to make the sail, you get one corner and fold it over like this. So this part of the square, and we have a rectangle here. Get your rather sharp scissors and cut off the unwanted rectangle, like so. Open her up, get your scissors again, and cut down the middle to about halfway, so about there. Then get one side and start folding incredibly tightly to create the mast. Like that. Yeah. And then to create the boom, we get down below here and start folding tight again. Go up to about halfway again, like that, fold one fold over, and there you have it. Right. After making the hole and the sail, we now need to put the sail into the hole. So it's quite good if you get a sharp knife to keep the slip nice and small. Poke a very small hole in the center and just slip the flag through. Push it quite a ways down so that the boom is actually quite close to the hole, and that should be it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, we have a boat.